What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Bree Trades here to talk about maybe about 20 secrets that people don't really tell in the trading community, but I'm here to expose them all. Secret number one: if you can invest in somebody's mentorship instead of their course, that'll cut your learning phase about tenfold. You can ask questions, you know what mistakes you're actually doing, etc., etc. The strategy doesn't matter as much as how you risk. Okay, risk management is the most important thing. If you lose 10 times, but you make a trade that's 11 times your losses, you're in profit. You know, that's extreme, but you will always have some losses. You will have some days where your take profit will almost hit, and then it's going to completely reverse and probably put you at a negative for the day. Those days happen, man. Hey, it come with a game. There will be some days where you will reach the maximum number of trades that you set for yourself. You're going to see another trade, and a lot of times if you don't take the trade will actually hit your take profit and probably could have won for you. Don't let that deter you. There are plenty more opportunities. The most important thing is that you stick to your rules. Your rules will ultimately save you in the long run. Some days you're probably going to be too tired to trade, and if you decide not to trade, a lot of times you will have a beautiful setup that you're going to kick yourself in the butt for not taking. Show up when you say you're going to show up. Don't do that to yourself. Trading shows all of your emotional limitations, psychological limitations. It exposes everything about you. If you're greedy, it'll show. If you're impatient, it'll show. So really, trading is a journey of learning and fixing yourself. Trading becomes more so about preserving your money rather than making a lot of money. The focus shifts from making profit to where you think the market won't go to. That's where you will set your stop loss. This journey will probably make you emotionless. And the reason for this is because sometimes the markets will come very close to our stop loss, and it'll come very close to our take profits and completely do something we don't expect. Can't really have emotion when trading, and that's okay. After hitting your take profit and making money so long, making money doesn't become something that makes us happy. No matter what, you can always find happiness in the relationships that you have. Shift your happiness to spending time with friends and family. No matter how many things you buy, no matter how many cars you get, vacations you take, after a while that stuff will stop making you happy. As long as you have those good relationships, that love, you'll be good. There are many time frames that you can trade. You have a morning session, a afternoon session, and a nighttime session. A lot of times if you learn a strategy that works in the morning time, maybe it probably won't work at nighttime. You have to practice strategy for that specific session. Can't carry them on to different sessions. May not work like that. When you trade for so long, you start looking forward to Mondays versus how people who work a 9 to 5, they look forward to the weekends. We don't look forward to the weekends. We just ready to trade again. The reason why it takes so long for people to learn trading isn't because it's hard, but because you have to focus on your psychology. I know you hear that a lot about psychology, but it's really a true thing. Going into another secret, if you're afraid to be wrong, this journey is going to be a little hard. A lot of people think that they're not that type of person, but you really look into yourself and see if you're actually that type of person. I was that type of person. To help combat that, or what helped for me, I shifted my value from being right to how much effort I actually put into learning this skill, how much I back tested, how much I journaled, how much I looked at my losses, learned from them, how much I asked my mentor questions. Just the effort. You're gonna have losses. If you see somebody who advertises a strategy that works 100% of the time, they're most likely scamming you. Another way to tell scammers, if all they do is sell indicators, they're most likely scammers. You don't see them trade at all, but they advertise indicators. Those are people you should look out for. Everybody else aren't really scammers, in my opinion. If they're talking about IML and stuff like that, those are pretty much, you can consider those scammers. A lot of people want to know why people sell courses, signals, and things like that. Well, we start losing our drive for just trading. It becomes a normal thing. Bringing value to other people start lighting that spark for us. We might as well share all the years of knowledge that we've accumulated over time. It doesn't take money out of our pockets to share our strategy, so that's why we share share strategy and sell courses, signals, and all that good chat. If you don't have a journal by now, you're at this point just winging it. What a journal does, it helps to see the constant mistakes that you make. It'll help you get rid of those mistakes. That's really all trading is about, is learning from your losses and reducing the mistakes that you make over and over again. It's minor tweaks over time. Losses are lower than your wins. If you're a type of person who sees strategies on Instagram, you see how easy they look, you try to learn different strategies and apply different strategies, every day or every other week, you're really doing yourself a disservice. It takes time to learn each strategy and apply it. Learn from the mistakes. The reason you're not profitable isn't because of the strategy, it's because you're not learning from the tiny mistakes that you make. And the last strategy, you guys, the only way you can fail at this trading journey is if you give up. I keep that in my mind. I realize that trading is a beatable game. Unless you quit, you can't fail. You may be wrong for a long time. Eventually, on the other side, you're gonna be profitable. Just stick it out, duke it out. We've all lost money, all made mistakes, all felt that dark cloud when we lose. We're on a losing streak. All been there. Nobody's journey is worse than the other. It may be, but who knows? We've all been through some crap though. So don't think you're alone. Get through the crap. If it was easy, everybody will be doing it. Just keep your head up, trade in silence. Don't let people know that you trade, because they're gonna be like, huh, did you make money today? Did you make money today? And nobody wants that. Like, no, I didn't. I'm on a weak losing streak. Leave me the freak alone. But so try to trade in silence. Yeah, those are my secrets. It is very cold out here, so I am going to take my dog, my crying dog, and leave the premises. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, all that good jazz. Appreciate y'all for watching. Let me know any other videos y'all need me to do, anything you need help with. And I'll see y'all on the flip. Peace out.